Assalamu alaikum students. Today we learn about the properties of union and intersection of sets. Here two properties: commutative property and associative property. Commutative property for union and intersection says that the order of the set in which we do operation does not change the result. As you see that the order of the operation of these two, A union B is equals to B union A, is changed, but the result is same. The result is equal and as in intersection. For example, A is equals to 1 2 3 and B is equals to 3 4 5. A union B is equals to B union B. Here we prove union. So left hand side is equals to A union B. 1 2 3 set A union elements of set B. So as you know that in union we write all the elements of both the set given. So 1 2 3 4 5 is our answer of left hand side. Right hand side is equals to B union A, elements of set B union elements of set A. So 1 2 3 4 5 is our answer. You see that left hand side is equals to right hand side, so we prove the property. Now we learn associative property. Associative property for union and intersection says that how the sets are grouped does not change the result. As you see in this, for union and intersection, the grouping of sets are changed in this, and the three sets are used for associative property, but the result does not change because this is equal. A union B union C is equals to A union B union C, and same in intersection. For example, A is equals to 1 2 3, B is equals to 3 4 5 and C is equals to 2 3 4 5 6. So we use the associative property for intersection here: A intersection B intersection C and A intersection B intersection C. First we solve the left hand side. In left hand side, A intersection B intersection C. So you know that first we solve the small brackets and then we solve the other one. So elements of set A intersection elements of set B and intersection elements of C. So in intersection we just put the common elements in the result. So in these two sets the 3 is common, so 3 intersection as it is write the set. So in these two sets the element common is 3, so 3 is our answer of left hand side. Right hand side is equals to A intersection bracket B intersection C, 1 2 3 intersection bracket 3 4 5 intersection 2 3 4 5 6. So in these two sets 3 4 and 5 is common, so 3 4 5. Now 1 2 3 intersection 3 4 5. So in these two sets what is common? So 3 is common, so 3 is our answer of right hand side. Left hand side is equals to 3 and right hand side is also is equals to 3. So we prove the property associative property for intersection. In question number 11, if A is equals to 1 3 5 7 9, B is equals to 2 4 6 8 10 and C is equals to 3 6 12 18 21, then prove the commutative property of intersection of set. Girls, you know that in commutative property two sets are used. So here they give us the three sets. So in solution, the possible solutions of this answer question is: A intersection B is equals to B intersection A, B intersection C is equals to C intersection B, A intersection C is equals to C intersection A. We do all these three. First we do A intersection B is equals to B intersection A, left hand side is equals to A intersection B, elements of set A intersection elements of set B. So as you see, is there any common element between these two? No. So our answer is empty set. Right hand side is equals to B intersection A, so elements of set B intersection elements of set A. So there is also no any common element, so our answer is empty set. Hence we prove that left hand side is equals to right hand side. These two done with yourself. Question number 12. If A is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, B is equals to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and C is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20, then prove the associative property of union of set. As you know that in associative property we use 3 sets. So here we go to the solution. A union B union C, A union bracket B union C. So left hand side is equals to A union bracket A union B union C. Bracket elements of set A union elements of set B bracket close union bracket union elements of set C. So first we solve the bracket. In union, as you know what we do, so 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 15, 16 and 20 is our union of these two sets, and union 5, 10, 15, 20, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 20 is our answer of left hand side. So right hand side is equals to A union bracket B union C. Set of elements, elements of set A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 union bracket elements of set B union elements of set C. So here we find the union of B union C, elements of B and C, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, 20. Now we find the A union bracket B union C. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 20. The result of left hand side is equals to result of right hand side. So we proved the associative property for union. Thank you.